Hello, dear students. Today we are going to learn about sentence and its kinds. See, we have four kinds of sentences. Let us start. First kind of sentences are declarative sentences or assertive sentences. As in your book, it is written declarative sentences, but we call them assertive sentences also, right? What are declarative sentences? As the name suggests, they declare something. They declare something which cannot be changed. It can be a fact or it can be a universal truth. I give you an example. Meena dances beautifully. Now, this is a thing which nobody can change. It's a fact that she dances beautifully. Or, I was having fever yesterday. Now, nobody can change it. It's a fact, right? Or, I tell you a universal truth like Earth revolves around the sun. Or, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. These are the declarative sentences. They declare something. It can be a fact, it can be a universal truth, it cannot be changed by us, right? Examples given in your book are the children walked all the way to the bus stop. The frog croaked noisily near the pond. So these are the declarative sentences. And yes, they begin with a capital letter and they end with a full stop. The second kind we have is interrogative sentences. As the name tells you, interrogation, which means asking questions, the very easy identification mark of these kind of sentences is a question mark behind them. Where did you find this book? Question mark. When is Rohit returning from Mumbai? Or a very simpler one, what is your name? How are you? These are question sentences, means they are interrogative sentences. They begin with a capital letter and they end with a question mark. Third kind of sentences are imperative sentences and they cover four parts. Four parts means imperative sentences includes orders, commands, requests and advice. It can be an order. Come here. It's an order, right? It means it's an imperative sentence. Command. I give you a command. Write beautifully in your notebooks. Or stand up, right? Or I give you an advice. Please go to the doctor. Or I say, I make a request. Can you please bring a glass of water for me? Or please bring a glass of water for me. So commands, orders, requests and advices all make interrogative sentences. Imperative sentences. See, examples given in your book are, don't be hasty about making this decision. It's an advice. Please return these books to the library. Again, it's an advice. So, advice, command, request and order are imperative sentences. The fourth and the last one is exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences shows our sudden emotions and feelings. The emotions which were not planned, they come out suddenly. You are walking in a park, your toe hit a stone, right? And you suddenly said, ouch, I hurt myself, right? Or you are watching a match and India lost the match and you suddenly said, alas, India lost the match. You are walking somewhere, you saw a very cute baby, you say, wow, what a cute baby it is, right? So the any feeling, it can be any feeling, sorrow, joy, you wonder about something, it can be any feeling, but it expresses sudden emotions. Sudden emotions are exclamatory sentences. They begin with a capital letter and they end with a exclamatory sign. Coming to a part, we have to tell the type of the sentence. Second is the owl hooted in the dark night. It's a declarative sentence. There were hardly any leaves left on the tree. Declarative. Have you prepared a list? Interrogative. You can simply tell. Fifth one has a question mark. Interrogative. Sixth is lock the door carefully before going out. It's an advice. It's imperative. What a difficult problem it was! Exclamation sign, exclamatory sentence. Please put away the tools after using them. Again, it's an advice, it's imperative, right? So now we have B part where we have to arrange the jumbled words into proper meaningful sentences, and after arranging them we have to tell what kind of sentence are they, right? I'm coming to C part where we have to change the declarative sentences into interrogative sentences. Means we have to frame questions. See, Varun helped, I'm doing second with you. Varun helped his mother to set the table for dinner. Helped means it's past tense and we will use did. And if we are using did, after that verb will come in the base form, means helped will be in the first form, which is help. So did Varun help his mother to set the table for the dinner? Third is the children enjoy playing in the park in summer. It's present. So do the children enjoy playing in the park in the summer? Here it will be a question mark, right? The falcon was sitting on the roof of the old building. Falcon is a bird. Was the falcon sitting on the roof of the old building? Simple. It's like helping verb will come in the front and rest of the sentence will remain the same. So I'm jumping to the D1. Change these interrogative sentences to declarative sentences. One has been done, right? See, first one is done. I'm coming to the second one. It's interrogative. We have to change it into declarative. Does Maya play the piano? Does means it's simple present. So Maya plays the piano, right? Play will change into plays because Maya is singular. Did the parents like the program put up by the children? Did is there, it means like is going to be changed into liked. The parents liked the program put up by the children. Has the thief made away with all the jewels? The thief has made away with all the jewels. Has is there, it means it's perfect, so made is going to remain made, like it's the third form, right? Are the neighbors planning a cleanliness drive next month? The neighbors are planning a cleanliness drive next month. Same way we have E part, which says we have to change the declarative sentences to exclamatory and exclamatory into declarative. Let's do it. What a pleasant surprise awaited us that Saturday. It's exclamatory. Let us change it into declarative. We are going to remove what? A pleasant surprise awaited us that Saturday. Simple. Third, our teacher is very knowledgeable on most subjects. It's declarative, so we have to change it into exclamatory. What a knowledgeable teacher on most subjects. Fourth, the dark clouds quickly gathered in the sky. It's declarative, we have to change it into exclamatory. How quickly the dark clouds gathered in the sky, right? So, I'm just jumping to the eighth one. It was a fantastic idea. What a fantastic idea it was. Right? You have to just keep in mind that you have to put exclamation sign at the end of exclamatory and exclamatory sentence and a full stop at the end of a declarative sentence. Coming to 27, short forms. Contractions. See, we are using contractions since we are doing like question answers. We have started in first grade, second grade, right? We know how we do it. For example, where we use am and are, a is omitted, means we cut out a. Where we use not, we cut out o from the not. If we are using have, we cut out v, we just use ve, right? So let's do it once. See the second part, she is. So I will be omitted, she's sorry for what she said. Have not, we omit o. Omit means we cut out. They haven't, have not will change into haven't. Are not, aren't. Do not, don't. Could not, couldn't. Would not, wouldn't. And need not, needn't. Same way B part, they are asking us to write the full form of the contraction. See the second onwards. Wasn't, was not. Couldn't, could not. They'll, they will. Shouldn't, should not. Cats. The cat's watching means the cat is watching the mouse. Mustn't, must not. Doesn't, does not. So please, you refer to the PDF for the completion of the book. Any doubts, call me, message me anytime, but keep your books completed on time, right? Doubts, call me or message me. Okay?